Okay, Emma, what is your fifth and final tip you've got for us today, please?
Oh, God, I've got all sorts of things. It's kind of... do you want just a really practical one that just works?
Yeah, let's go
for organising your classroom. Right, so Chris Such, who you said you've had on recently, did something similar for one of his tiny teaching tips about whiteboard pens and Pritt stick lids. Never throw a lid away. By my door, as the children used to come in, as you come in, there were two boxes, one with whiteboards in, one with pens in, or three boxes actually, one with pens and rubbers in, one with whiteboards in. But then there was also another box there with lids, just lids. And whenever a pen ran out, you put the lid in the box, and nobody ever lost a lid because there was always a box of lids in the corner. And it makes your classroom work like a dream. But I don't understand people who hand whiteboards out. I don't understand people who make a big... Just put them by the door. As they walk in, pick it up and come and sit. Pen, board, sit down, done. So straightforward.
I love it. I absolutely love it. I'll tell you what, because that was such a quick one, let me just ask you one little follow-up question about whiteboards, Emma, if that's all right. Now, obviously, we're both big Twitter users and stuff, and it's dangerous going on Twitter sometimes. It's all kicking off left, right and centre. And whiteboards are a real interesting area at the moment, right? Because you'll get someone like Adam Boxer, who has hated whiteboards for many years, but now loves mini whiteboards and really thinks really hard about the intricacies of using them, and I find it fascinating to listen to him. But then you get like primary colleagues who'll be on there saying, well, we use mini whiteboards all the time in primary, this isn't anything new. So I'm really interested here, and I don't want to get any big divide going or anything like that, but are mini whiteboards, are they absolutely prevalent across all kind of primary classrooms and used in a similar way to secondary? What's your take, Emma?
I'm just going to flash something at you.
For the benefit of audio listeners, you'll have to go on the video to see that one. Emma's not stuck a middle finger up or anything, just in case anyone's worried about that.
No, that is the National Numeracy Strategy for Primary Schools, which came out in 1998 and sort of rolled out 1999. And mini whiteboards were championed throughout that framework. And the mini whiteboards kind of started in maths for primary colleagues in the late 90s. And they kind of permeated every part of primary practice. You would be really hard pushed to go into a primary school and not find mini whiteboards. And we use them for everything, for quick responses in maths, to practicing handwriting, to making notes for literacy. They are just used for everything, absolutely everything. Sometimes to great effect and brilliantly, sometimes, as with anything, just as a rather rubbish prop. But they are woven into the fabric of primary practice and have been for well over 20 years, that I can't help but have a wry smile at people who have kind of discovered whiteboards. But going back a little bit, if you have a look at a picture of a Victorian classroom, it's only a pimped up slate, basically, at the end of the day. So, yeah, they are absolutely ingrained in primary practice, and I know that some secondary colleagues love them, some loathe them. You'd be hard pushed to find a primary teacher who really hated them. I know a lot of them have got things about lids and pens and just dirty cuffs is what we deal with in primary. Dirty cuffs. But no, they are inextricably linked with primary practice and have been for decades.
That's amazing. I thought that might be the case, but I wanted to hear it from you. That's